Just a second. I'm gonna explain things in a while. Mhm. I think things are working properly, fine, or good. Yep. Back test. Interesting. Let's do it. So, first of all, on a funded account, we took a one trade. If you're not in the Discord group, please go and check there. I post my trades there. Sorry, history. We go to current month. So this was the trade taken. Let me explain what was the mistake that we did here. So here's the thing, guys. I don't know why I took a trade here, and I was pretty sure after 15 this candle is closed, there is a news coming in. So I put the stop loss as it broken the low of this candle. I put my stop loss exactly above the current candle. So that was not enough. You can say that price didn't have enough space to move around. So that was the mistake here. Otherwise, the trade idea was an amazing one. But yeah, I needed to reply at some next. So as I was saying that yeah, that was our problem. Our lot size was fine. Our risk management was good. The only thing was that we didn't give enough space for trade to run out. If we at least move our stop loss above these areas, I think we have cover this move up. But we cannot regret or do anything. So right now, what we are looking for is if we go to the daily time frame here, take a look. So prices at the sorry, no, but yeah. So looking at the daily time frame, price have not broken the low of the previous candle, and it's going up. So we might come back and break the low. We might, but if we are respecting the lows, price could easily, go back up. So another thing that I have changed in my setup is from now on I'm going to use this as a weekly or daily or 4 hour time frame lines, and this we will use for smaller time frame. Okay, so our zone is this one. Okay, I'm looking for sells at this area most likely. So our new 1 hour candle just started, and I think for 4 hour candle to this is the last 1 hour candle for this 4 hour thing. So there is no bottom wick at this area. So we might reject. What happened? Something is not right. I think I lost my Wi-Fi connection or something. Okay, and now we are good again. So as I was saying that we might, you know, went up. We are exactly at a rejection zone here. So and this is our high. So I'm gonna put this here. That's what we are looking for as a rejection point. Come on, I didn't want to move this one. So right now we missed the one trade that was here as price did break above this resistance. We could have taken a buy here, but we didn't. So our next trade idea was I was waiting for a sell opportunity at this level of resistance, but yet I need to see a bearish candle before I take sells, either on 15-minute time frame or on a smaller time frame, at least 15 minute or 30 minutes. So we have one bearish candle on 15-minute time frame, but it's breaking the highs as well of the previous candle. So what is the good thing is if we break below the lows and close bearish with the current candle, then that could be a good opportunity. But remember, I think 1 hour candle just started 3 minutes ago or so. Yeah, 5 minutes ago, you can say. So yeah, we are looking for sell on gold. As this candle flip, I think I'll immediately take the sell, and we see how we do it. And we're gonna use 1.5. That will be our lot size for a phase 100 K funded account. Ooh, price is still continuing up. This my Wi-Fi is not good. I don't get it. Why C trader is like deconnecting. It's it happened twice now. So looking for sell as exactly when this candle is flipping bearish. Okay, we're gonna put stop loss exactly above the current candle, or we can at least put at least above this area. Yeah. So that's all SL. But you're gonna see on 15-minute time frame if we can get a better stop loss. Yeah, I think this is a wick rejection. Even on 4 hour time frame, we have a wick rejection at this point. Yeah, we have multiple wick rejections. I'm gonna just exit it. Yeah. So I think this could be a better stop loss if this 30-minute candle do flip bearish. That will be our sell opportunity, and our TP will be around this retest zone. That's like 500 or so. We could actually increase our trade, I mean profit here. But the thing is, we have 1 hour candle that could be a threat to us. What do I mean by threat? I mean like, so let's say this 4 hour candle have 1 hour left, and this candle could do anything. When I say anything, it could easily come till here, and next candle to go up, break the highs, and still go up, which we don't want. I think I would like to take some partials before we see anything. Okay. Yep. Price is rejecting. It's flipping bearish. That's good. We are still not in the trade because if you look at here, price have not yet, broken the low of its own candle. So the good thing is like this was the Asian high. It's have broken above with a London session volume. So I think we might, this was the London session volume. So we might recover at least this much, do a retest of the zones before continuation or do anything else. Okay, we are in the trade right now. I'm gonna manage my risk at this point. Is put stop loss above this wick, $600 or so. Let's see, we have 5 minutes left for the. So here's the thing. I think putting stop loss exactly above is a risky trade because again I'm not giving enough space for trade to move. But at the same time, if the new candle open up or this candle do flip bullish again and break the highs, there's a high probability that it could continue going up. So I think I don't want that. I don't want to risk a trade, hold a trade till it goes up and I risk around like $700. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move stop loss here. That will be $400 of risk, and at the same time, our TP is $540. So our main target is today is to at least stay at break even again, and that's it. That's our main target. If we get to be a break even, and the next thing is we need to create at least 1 or 2% of profit before taking a higher risky trades. Like I'm using only 1.50 lot size. I will use a bigger lot size when I have like 2 to 3% in profit. Because if you're watching the streams, please let me know if you can hear me properly and there's no lagging in the stream or anything. That's it. We are up around, I think, $100 or so. Like that's 77 or 8 pips or something. So we have 17 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close. Keep in mind that this is the like this 30-minute candle should close bearish, and we are expecting that next candle could go down. Okay, I'm not expecting that this only one candle could flip bearish. If it does, then that's a huge what we call sell potentials selling side. I mean, sometimes I just forget the words that I would like to say because according to me, this is a really good entry. And when it comes to this area, I'm gonna close partial, and initially I will let the entry run till more lower. because I'm expecting, if you go to 4 hour time frame, what I'm expecting is that if this 4 hour candle do close below these zones, then I'm expecting that next candle could, sorry, yeah, next candle could, you know, close something like this one and continue going down like a big candle till here. So that's what I'm expecting here. The same thing that happened in the past. Because if you take a look, price have, most of the time what it does is like go and create a wick, big wick before rejection and continue the trend. So I'm expecting the same thing here, is that price will create a huge wick before continue going down on 4 hour time frame. Okay, this 15-minute candle will close in 30 seconds and 30-minute candle will be closed in 15 minutes. Let's see how it does. If it breaks this own high, I'm gonna close partials and I'll move my stop loss above the in whatever our stop loss was like above this area. So in that way, I'm managing my risk and seeing if the initial our risk is I think above the 100 or so. Yeah. So if it's break its own high, I'm gonna close partials. Okay, I'm not gonna close the whole position. I'm gonna close partials and see. Let's say I think new mid candle just started. So if this candle do break the, this is the rejections, okay, at the both side. If this candle, go a little bit up, respect these highs and reject that area and break this low, then what I'm expecting is there will be a good amount of volume that only this 30-minute candle flows around these areas. So let's see what we can do. Your price is flipping bullish again. Not good, not good. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, yep. But at the same time, I think 50-minute might be, as I said, we need this 50-minute candle to reject these areas, then continue going down. If it's break its own high, I'm going to close my partials. Guys have rejected, but we need to see if at least that candle should flip bearish. That will count as in rejection. We cannot see that price go up and just come back down. That is not a rejection. So still waiting at this point. Okay, price have flipped bearish, so this candle did rejected this area. So now what we are expecting that this candle should continue going down till here at least. So if it does, then we'll be closing partial here, moving stop loss at break even, or we can just move stop loss at break even at this point if you don't want to close your partials. But I would suggest that closing partial could be a good thing. 15-minute candle have I think broken. Oh, not yet. It have not broken the lows. If it does not break the lows, that's an like interesting thing. Yeah. Sorry, I had to take the call. We have 7 minutes left for this current 15-minute candle to close and 30-minute candle to closed. I don't know how much time we have for. Yeah, we have. This is the last 30-minute candle for 1 hour and 4 hour candle. When the next 30-minute candle does open. By the way, I did try to connect the magic keys to C Trader. Here is it. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. So I don't know. For some reason, it was not opening trade and closing it. Maybe I didn't connect it properly. So yeah, let me know if you know something about it. I have watched the video tutorial thing. For some reason, I think I did this mistake or something. I don't know. That's it. The last 5 minutes for 50-minute candle to close and 30-minute candle to start. 30-minute. Let's see. Uh, I think, as I said, like if this candle do close like this one, we are expecting next candle to break the lows and continue till here at least. Till sound that be a really good target as we were risking around 800. Ooh, I mean, like candle just flipped bullish on 50 minute. Look at that. That was a quite a good rejection. I think it was respecting the lows as well at the same time. So we have 3 minute left for the candle to close. Let's see how the 30-minute and 15-minute candle are closing. Based on that, we're gonna save how we need to manage our trade. 15-minute candle again flip bearish. Yeah. So first they flip bullish, bearish, then again bearish. I think we have last 1 minute left for this 15-minute candle to close and new 30-minute candle to start as well. So what we are expecting is the same thing. If the next candle to break the lows, we are expecting that it could continue going down. So as we were using only 1.50 lot size, remember I can usually I do on a 100K funded account last is 2.25, but I'm gonna only use right now 1.50 as we do not have any profit made on this account. If at least we have 1 or 2% of profit, then we can, risk a little bit and increase the lot size. But yeah, Okay, new 30-minute candle just started. Now we're gonna wait and see if this breaking the lows. Uh, uh, and another thing is like we expect it to go a little bit till our entry point before breaking the lows. Yeah, we have taken a sell on gold. You can see our entry point. Entry point is 2330.67, and our stop loss is above this wicks. And I'm expecting that price could go down as 1 hour candles flipping. So, and besides that, we have a lot of rejection point at this side. So I'm expecting that this could respect those areas. And if it goes down, break this lows, you can see the price still here. At least do a little bit of small retracement. So with the new 15-minute candle, there's no bottom wick. So I'm pretty sure it will flip bearish to create a bottom wick. Most likely it does. If it does not, we see how it goes. We use the dollar in our analysis. Yeah, sometimes, yes, because as gold is really, affected by dollars. So let's say if there is a news based on USD, then I would surely see that news if it's like advantageable for dollar or not. If that news is good for the dollar, then gold price will go down. And if it's really bad for the dollar, then gold price will go up and dollar price will go down. So obviously, yes, that does affect gold. So as what we expected is this 30-minute candle to flip bearish. At least it did went up till our entry point, at least a little bit more above. But that's good. If once it created the wick and reject and flip bearish, that gives us more confirmation that price could easily, continue going down. Then there is not much chances that it could go up now. So what we need is like at least this rejection only count when when the current candle is flip bearish. Okay, so wait for that. If this candle break the lows of this candle, then I'm gonna put my stop loss exactly above this previous highs because that's a valid trade the idea then. I'm gonna add small value to this trade if it break the lows. But yet it's not flipping bearish, so we need to wait. If this candle flip bearish, then I think that's a valid trade idea. I'm gonna move stop loss exactly above those areas, and we expect that price could continue going down till this zones. I'm targeting around $700 or so, but I have used 1.50 lot size. So if we have not flipped bearish, keep in mind that only 23 minutes left for the 4 hour candle to close. At the same time, new 1 hour candle to start. So when it does, I'm expecting that if it break its own high before going down, that's normal. But at the same time, I need to close partial if it do that. So let's see. In in 23, 24 minutes, if this candle at least come down till here, we could at least close, some profit here. And TP, if it at least come down till here, that's our TP point. Or we can increase our lot size when this candle flip and break the lows, and yeah, close it 10 to 15 pips or so. Let's see if, but we need to wait at this point. I cannot do anything. Looking at the G, yeah, price is nicely, breaking this resistance and continue going up. GJ, like, I don't know. Oh, we are flipping bearish here. Gold, I know you can do it. Push it. Push to the downside, not to the upside, huh? Should I give them like, blowing wind to the candle that it could go down? Oh, here we go. So close to flip bearish. Oh, stop. If I put my stop loss here above the candle, the we will be lose around 250 or so. So let's say if this, and if I put another entry here, 394, yeah. So targeting around 200 or so. Okay. Tell me, chat, like, do you want me to put another trade when it breaks the own low of the previous candle? Let's see. If you guys say yes, I'm gonna enter another trade. If you guys say no, then I won't. We have last 4 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see what it does in the last 4 minutes. That's like, well, I think I really don't want to, risk much as today is Monday. So to be honest, I think if even if once it break the lows, I'm gonna, put this 800 to above this candle. So that would be how much will I be risking now? So that's like $400 that I'll be risking on this trade. Let's see if we can at least minimum. What did I say? Yeah, I'm like, at least we have, cut the losses short before we increase our risk. And I think tomorrow we have news, so we might see some volume, but it's not that right. Let's see what was the news. And today, tomorrow, yeah, comments at 11. Let's see. We have some good news tomorrow, so we might see some volume. But at least we win this trade, we're good to go. If we get this candle below this lows, oh, that would be amazing. Look at my entry point on an 4 hour time frame. This is a pretty good entry point. As I'm risking $800, but I'm pretty sure that I can easily manage my risk before touching this $800 because there's too many rejections point. So even if we might come at this up again, we will still anyway come back down till this point. So okay, I think new 50-minute candle will start in 26 seconds because take a look here. Okay, this is this 50-minute bullish candle, but it went this much up before and rejected. So if let's say if my spread is still 1 pips or so, then from this area to 1 pip, that would be like I think we are already at 1 pip. So I don't think so we hit our stop loss because whenever there's a big rejection like this, price do reject and go back down. So next 15 candle just started mid candle. I think what will my bias go wrong is it's okay for my what do you mean by bias? Like I'm on sell like if do you mean by like what is the chances that my trade can go wrong? If we break above, I can only take buys if we go back above 240, I guess. Yeah, 2340. If we go back above these areas, then I'll be looking for buys. But trust me, like looking at this trend, we had a huge drop. We did a retracement, Now again a drop. So I'm expecting that this candle will drop till here or till here. So if you take a look at the daily time frame, most likely till here. So I'm expecting sells, not any buys at this moment. I think 30-minute candle is flipping bearish. Did flip back, but yeah, I think we came back up, right? So this is interesting. Okay, 30-minute candle flip bearish. Here we go. So in 11 minutes, I'm expecting a move till here at least before closing my trade. But if it does not, then we'll have a new one 4 hour kind of. If new 4 hour can do open up, then so if new 4 hour candle do open up, the only thing I'm is like not expecting is the next candle could go up, break the highs, and then flip bearish. But whenever price need to flip bearish, it does that. So my current trade could be in loss for quite some time. That's why I need to close in 10 minutes and see how the candles are reacting with the new 4 hour candle. Because we had a multiple rejections at this point, we are still not going down. So because on 30 minute we try to break the low, but yet we are still expecting it did not go below this itself. Let's see in 10 minutes if this get anything. So let's see the past history, like whenever price have done this kind of things, okay? Price have rejected the areas. So price was coming down before going up. It was respecting this lows and went up. Okay, this is still back to the high end, but it went down. So yeah, we had the same thing. So here we had things like this. So coming down, we were coming down and did a small retracement till here. Price did break the previous highs and then can close like this one. Then we had a huge movement down. Let's see if we can get something like that again. Retracement or just like this. We just see a moment like this. For an example, yeah, we had a two bullish candle. Hmm. I mean, like I think most likely it will break the highs or continue going up. So let's see. 8 minutes left. So this 1 hour candle is flipping bullish now. That is not a good thing in the last minute, in the last 7 minutes or so, which I really don't like. What I would like to do is, I would like to close, I think. The structure is not good too. So yeah, we're gonna close this trade. We did close our trade with a loss of $200. So the reason I closed it because when the next candle to open up, when the next forward candle will open up, so we can see some volume, that price could break the highs, little bit go up, but we're gonna wait for the next 4 hour candle and see if we can get a rejection and get the sell entry point at that time. So currently, we are down around 0.50% on this account. We have 5 minutes left for new candle to start. Let's see what we can get. Okay, okay. So price is in uptrend, taking the highs, and we had a downside went up. This was the highs. After that, we are still in this zone. So it's the same thing here. We are doing here. For us to move down, we need big movement on gold. Looking at these zones, like price have rejected this area multiple times before and break above and went up. So I'm expecting the same rejections again if we get the same rejection types. Because even if we go up, let's say till this wick area, that's okay. We're gonna wait. We need to see that when the next 4 hour candle to open up, it break the high, go till these areas, and then we should see a rejection till drive down till again to 320. Let's see. So this is the highest rejection we can get is on 2340, but above that area, I don't think so. We should see any rejection. I think we should continue going up. So let's see. But right now, we are still respecting the zones. So we're gonna see how it's reacting on that basis. 3 minutes left. Let's see. So let's assume if we were still in this trade, I'll be losing more than what I was expecting. Like it could easily hit these areas now. So we'll be down around 400, but we cut the losses to 200. So we are good. We manage our risk. That's a important thing. GJ is like continuously being bullish. So like if you have not seen the news, there is this thing going on in Japan. Rise deadly infection Japan news records. So this is a really, really bad thing. You can say this bacteria, what it does, it like eat your organs. So that's not good. It just recently found out there is like around 1,000 cases in Japan and some in Sweden and France. So I think if this virus does kill the human in like maximum 3 to 24 hours. So 3 days to 24 hours. In between then, it does kill it. So that's the news I have seen. Like if you have anything, fever, headache, and everything. So I don't know why now again this, but yeah, this could be the reason we are seeing this. So who knows? We have three, two, one, and U4O candle just started. So simple things we are expecting right now is this price could go up around this much, break the highs, and when it flip bearish from here, this will be our entry point, and we're gonna target this. Simple as that. So let's see. Based on 30-minute time frame, let's see if we can break this highs. So then we could flip bearish. So based on 30-minute and 15-minute, we'll look for potential sales entry and see. So yeah, we were doing analysis on GBP, JPY, best template, simple color option, period separated, at. So we're doing analysis here. We have a higher time frame resistance, data retrace and breaking above. Price is breaking the previous high of the candle. Looking at the 4-hour time frame here, price have closed bullish above these areas. Pretty good. And let's go to 1 hour. Okay, from here, let's adjust our things. Let me add another zone here. Okay, we were in this zone. Price have broken above. So if it if it's flipping bearish and come back down in the zone, interesting. But before that, I don't think so. It will come down anyway. If it break the highs, you might see that price could continue going up. If it does not, I don't know. Oh, we are moving down now. Great. So now for me to take the sells on this 30-minute candle. Ooh la la. Okay, let's see. How much can we risk? 200? Oh, sorry. Yeah, 300 in order to target. Not enough. Not enough. Now I'm gonna I think see if price is breaking the highest previous candle. before taking sells. I'm not gonna rush into that trade today. Give me a minute. I need to take a call. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, price is moving down to these areas now, which I didn't expect it that for a candle it could move down. But yeah, let's see. So actually, I was looking for sell at the zone right now. Now, as prices to the downside, now today we can do just sideways. Most probably, yes, we can. So I think we had a London session move here, and it's coming back down. I don't think so there will be much volume till New York session. So that's why I'm not thinking of taking trade right now. because yeah, this was a good trade, this sell opportunity. But the thing was like there was a chances, right? If the four candle, went up, and we were just in the cells, and we wait till New York session, and if it goes the buy more volume to the upside, then we are done for. So we couldn't take that risk on this funded account. You want to see half an hour? Let's just wait and see how the price is moving. Yet not, I'm not thinking of taking any trades. So, but the thing is that I would like it's good that my analysis were right, that you know that we can see the price coming down till here. So, so my analysis were right, then I'm okay. That gives me more confident that if I stick with my trades, that would be good. So we have 15-minute candle will close in 4 minutes, 30-minute will close 19 minutes. direction. So let's assume that if we were in the trade and we hit our TP at this point, we are good, we are safe. Because the only reason I set my TP at this point, so because there is, look at this, there is this area of resistance I have broken above. Most likely, whenever price do come at this point, it does reject. It's normal, okay? And when there is a confirmation like new 4 hour candle, so this was the volume of prices going down, but as it just opened up and went down, most likely we see a rejection. Price will go up, break this areas, hold a little bit more up, reject those wicks, and then we see the rejection of price can continue the trend or not. So if it does not reject the wicks, okay, it if this candle close bullish here, then we might see the next candle can you know continue going up. So that's why when you ask me like what my opinion will change, that price will go up. So I'm looking for like price should close above these areas and do a retest before I'll be looking for any kind of a buys or anything. Till then, from at this area, I'm just looking for like setups like that could reverse trade and continue the trend to the downside. But if you take a look at the 30-minute time frame here, what we are seeing is a small uptrend. If you okay, here's we had a low, price retested that low, didn't break that, retested, then made a new high, still respecting the lows at the same time. Now it's making a new high and retesting the previous resistance. So that gives us a confirmation that price is going an uptrend on 30-minute time frame. So keep in mind if you're looking at the higher time frame like 4 hour, that price is in a downtrend, but on a smaller time frame, you need when you take at whatever time frame you are taking entries, like 15 minute or 30 minute or 5 minute. So take a look at the trend at that time. Okay, so on 15 minute on small time frame, we are on an uptrend. So what I'll be looking for, it should be buys. But as as we trade based on 4 hour time frame, I'm looking for sells. But I'm taking entries on 30-minute time frame. So that's why I'm waiting that if this trend does change on 30-minute time frame. So right now, if we reject those areas and come back below this area, or we see a consolidation whole day, then that would be good. Like we can break this support and the supports, and we can continue going down. So my area is this area that I'm expecting that price could reach, because price have done it many times. So take a look. Price went down, did a small retest still here, but it did came back little bit. Okay, so I'm looking for something like this. Okay, I don't understand why there's a or what you call it, blank thing here. I'm not sure because I don't know that it's on other thing. Maybe I'm using for it a broker. That's why possible. So we have new 15 candles started. 30-minute candle have last 12 minutes. Okay. And we do not have any major news. So I don't know what we will do. I don't know what price will do. So on a 4 hour candle, if I'm looking for rejection, that would be this one. That because after that price made a low till here. Okay. So if we get a rejection here and price do made a low till here again, so that's a pretty good entry point. But it's only when there is a volume session. Right now, there's no volume, not good. So I think we have 1.5 hour or so left for New York session to start. Till then, I don't th- I don't think I'm gonna take any trade. There is no point of, for me to stare at this thing. It's going to go to the retracement of the bigger range. You mean this one? So are you saying like Fibonacci or something? Yeah, that's 2.14%. Even if we retrace like 1% till here, so this could be our rejection point. But the only thing is like if we break above, if we break above these zones, take a look, okay? We had a first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we had a five rejection point at this area. So what I'm expecting is if we reject this area once, that we could see like price could move down till here. But yeah, your point is correct. If we are retracement till here, then we might come down before retrace the whole move. What we did here, like we had a whole move down till here. We retraced it a little bit, came down, then like till here, then came down and then made a new high again. So I don't know. Right now, for what I see is for all candles rejecting and flipping bullish. If it does that, we surely will flip like till here. So we can at least target these zones. But the thing is, buy is like I'm not sure. Okay, I tell you one thing. What if we come back in New York? Okay, like I'll do another live stream in New York session. We do not wait till then. I'll be doing another live stream after 2 hours. Okay, so when the New York session does start. So we do not take any trade at the moment because I do not think so we can. And I think this is the last week of the month. So that's an interesting. Let's take a look at the monthly thing. So we have monthly candle closing like this one. Okay, I don't think so we will move much. Then how does it candles. Interesting. Guys, give me a second. So as I was saying that we come back in the new session, yeah. So I think I'll still stick with my sell entry. The thing is like I'm looking for perfect and good rejection points. So yeah, after this huge wick, what I'm expecting if this current candle do break the previous candle highs, sorry, 4 hour candle highs, then I'm expecting some volume to driven upside. After that, I need to see a closure of the 4 hour candle or 1 hour candle below these areas. After that, I'll take the cells and we're gonna write it down till downside. So if it's tomorrow, if that happens tomorrow, we're gonna take that trade tomorrow. If it happens today, we're gonna take that today. Okay. So I guess I'll see you in the New York session. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye. I have some things to do, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. Thank you for joining the live stream. I'll see you in New York session most likely. If I do not do the live stream, I'll post it in the Discord group and update you guys that if I have taken any trade or done any analysis or update on the trades. Okay. Ciao.